Hello everyone, this is Alonso Corcolan and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yay!
You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first.
Hi! Hello sa inyo lahat! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Ma On Shan Promenade, dito sa Ma On Shan, guys. This is Saturday, it's Saturday, and the weather is so nice, so I decided to take a walk. Mag-breeze walk tayo, guys, throughout the promenade, no? Yan, exercise tayo at magpapawis kasi isang linggo malamig, so painit tayo ngayon. So guys, please, samahan nyo ako and let's roam around. Thank you! See ya! Guys, as you can see, pag promenade, nandito mga bike trails, nandito mga walk trails. Yan guys. People are doing the exercise, their workout here. Lalo na ngayon, kailangan natin to since it's pandemic and since it's the wave in Hong Kong. So much of establishment shops are closed here, so ayan guys, kaya exercise na lang sa mga kaibigan.
Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling. I've seen a lot of people who don't know what thirst is. I've had a taste of evil and tried to cure the sickness, but I just keep my head down and focus on the facts. I'm setting down gravel while you just follow the path. I'll lead them into battle while you're just too scared to act. I'll leave the knife right in my back. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling. flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah, I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. I'm in a race that everybody's chasing fast. They wanna be that someone on the screen at last. They ain't looking inside for their needs in life. They wanna be liked by everybody in sight. But trust me, being free ain't spotlights. No, it's long nights and it's long fights with yourself all the time to get your mind right. But if you put in the work, you can find the light, alright. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove.
This time guys, nandito tayo sa kanilang Bongavilla area, o diba? Pinabad ko talaga yung aking damit para ako ay tumerno sa mga pink na Bongavilla. Hi everyone. Hindi pa masyado mga nagbubulak-bulak.
Just don't be ignored. Go ask for more. Go ask for more. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
Alright guys, I think it's time to stop now. Masakit na sa balat yung ano, sikat ng araw. So yeah, I think I've had enough. So I'll see you next time on my next vlog, okay? And mahabang lakarin, kapagod. So I have to stop na guys, and thank you, salamat sa pagsama niyo sa paglakad ko ito. It's Saturday, and enjoy your weekend guys. Again, this is Alonzo Percolon saying thank you and bye bye. We'll see you again. I see you.
I got a full clip with your name on it, but I'ma let you slide 'cause you ain't worth it. time, staying strong. Need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time, staying strong. Need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till you